Hello everyone, this is my review of the Rhino USA retractable ratchet straps. Once you're done, it pulls the strap back in automatically, so there's no mess and no extra time spent rolling everything up. They're really easy to use. You hook them, tighten them down, and that's it. It feels way faster compared to traditional straps. The build quality feels solid. The material is thick and durable, and the hooks feel secure, so I don't worry about anything coming loose while driving. Another thing I like is how much time it saves. No tangling, no knots, just quick and clean every time you use them. They're also strong enough for most everyday hauling, whether it's moving stuff, securing gear, or using them in the truck bed. Some models have brake strengths over 1,000 pounds so that they can handle a good amount of weight. Overall, it's one of those upgrades you don't realize you need until you use it. If you haul anything regularly and want something faster, cleaner, and easier than regular straps, these are definitely worth it. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.